Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something very powerful. It is the power of small steps. Many people believe success happens in one big moment. They think one day everything suddenly changes. But real success does not work like that. Success happens step by step, small step by small step, every single day. Progress is usually quiet and slow. Life is like climbing a mountain. When you look at the top, it seems very far away. Sometimes it even feels impossible. You may think you will never reach it. The distance can make you feel afraid. But climbers do not think about the whole mountain. They focus on the next step, just one step forward, then another step. Slowly, they move higher and higher. Your dreams work the same way. You do not need to reach your goal in one day. You only need to take one small step today. Tomorrow, you take another step, and slowly your dream becomes closer. Think about learning English. Many people say English is too difficult. They see thousands of words and confusing grammar. They feel overwhelmed very quickly. Because of this, they stop trying. But successful learners think differently. They focus on small daily progress. Today, they learn 5 new words. Tomorrow, they practice speaking for 10 minutes. Next week, they read a short story. These actions may look small, they may even look unimportant, but over time they become powerful. Small steps create big change. Small efforts create big success. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man who wanted to run a marathon, but he had never run before, not even 1 kilometer. The marathon looked impossible to him. A marathon is 42 kilometers. For him, it felt like climbing a giant mountain. But he made a simple decision. He decided to start small, very small. The first day, he ran for 1 minute. Yes, just 1 minute. The next day, he ran 2 minutes. The next week, he ran 5 minutes. Every day, he improved a little. Some days were very difficult. Some days he felt tired and discouraged. Sometimes he wanted to quit completely. But he remembered his dream, so he kept taking small steps. Months later, something amazing happened. He ran his first marathon, and he finished the race. Not because he was the strongest, but because he never stopped trying. This lesson is important for your life. Maybe you want to become a doctor. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want to speak English fluently. All big dreams look difficult at the beginning. They look far away and impossible. But every big dream is built from small daily actions, one small effort at a time. Reading 1 page of a book, practicing 1 new skill, learning 1 new idea. These small actions seem simple, but they are extremely powerful. Think about a river. A river can cut through solid rock, not because the river is strong, but because it never stops flowing, day after day and year after year. Your effort works in the same way. Consistency is stronger than talent. Consistency is stronger than motivation. If you keep going, you will improve. But there is something very important to remember. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone moves at a different speed. Everyone has a different journey. Some people run very fast. Some people move slowly. What matters most is that you keep moving forward. Your journey belongs only to you. So today, I want to ask you something. What is one small step you can take today? Maybe you will learn 5 English words. Maybe you will practice speaking for 10 minutes. It does not need to be big. It only needs to be consistent. Small steps repeated every day create powerful results. That is the secret of success. One day you will look back at your journey, you will remember these small steps, and you will realize something amazing. Those small steps changed your life. And if you want to improve your English faster, do not miss the next video. Thanks for watching and subscribe BrainRise YouTube channel.